Old cleaning secret revealed. Now I only use absorbent on squeegee. To start this tip, I will put a liter of water inside a bowl. We will also add 6 tablespoons of detergent. Tell me if you have any family secrets to keep the house clean, I'd love to know. This tip is amazing, I'm sure you will be surprised with the result. Now let's add a tablespoon of baking soda and then stir. It will help our mixture get much more potent. I will also use 100 milliliters of bleach. Right after 100 milliliters of alcohol, and then I will stir again. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me if you had the expected result. To give a special touch, I will put 3 tablespoons of scented oil, and then I will stir everything very well one last time. Best of all, this tip uses only a few ingredients, making it extremely fast, practical, and inexpensive to make. There's no reason why you shouldn't try it at home. Then I will pass the mixture to a spray bottle, to facilitate application and avoid waste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Bnith Aranal from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Even your friends will ask what is the secret to keeping your home so clean and smelling. Now we'll need 2 absorbents, I'll stick them to the squeegee. I'm sure this tip will go into your routine, just as it did mine. Just a little of the mixture is enough to clean even the dirtiest surfaces in your home. After I started using this tip, I never cleaned my house any other way. You'll never have to spend money on those expensive cleaning products again. Only our blend combined with a squeegee and 2 absorbents is able to keep any surface glowing. I doubt you've done any cleaning tricks like this before. This is the secret that every cleaning lady uses and never told you. After fixing the absorbents in the squeegee, we can use it to clean our house. It is really amazing. I'll start by applying the mixture we prepared on the kitchen floor. After spraying a little of the product, just use the squeegee with the absorbents to remove all dirt. Never again did I have to waste time rubbing those hard-to-get-out stains. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.